on how to create a Udemy course and how to upload the videos to the Udemy course and how to earn money, add a lecture into this, add a quiz, a coding exercise or an assignment. Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, we take a look on how to create a Udemy course and how to upload the videos to the Udemy course and how to earn money. First of all, go to www.udemy.com. So it is U Academy and the sign up process is really easy. Once you have logged into the account, then you either click on the option Instructor for the old accounts. So if it is a new account, then it would be showing I want to teach. So you click on I want to teach and it will take you to the instructor part of your account. So this is the U Academy dashboard for the instructors. Here you need to click on new course and this is going to ask you what kind of a course you want to create. So whether it is a course that is rich in learning consisting of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, then you would click on course. Or if you just want to help the students with practice questions and solutions for any of the certification exams, then you would click on practice test. So let's click on course, click on continue. Now it is going to ask you what is the working title of your course. So I have already created working title and all the other details, and I have generated the videos that I want to upload and create a course to make this video. So my working title or the course title, it is supposed to be up to 60 characters. So I have used that and I have used SEO keywords to come up with a course title. If you want me to talk more about SEO, which is search engine optimization, in creating the content on website or YouTube or Udemy, then please comment down below on the video and I will be making videos on search engine optimization. SEO is really important because there is a lot of content out there on internet, but you want your content to be consumed by the learners. So now this is the working title, then click on continue and it is going to ask you what is the category of your course. There are several categories like finance, business, development, IT and software, marketing, music, health and fitness, teaching and academics. And if you don't know yet, then you can click on this option. But my course is on Overleaf and it is a software for writing research paper, academic research papers using latex. So that would be IT and software. I click on this and it is saying that there are some opportunities on Udemy Business which Udemy has identified huge demand for and low supply. So do you want to create a course for such content opportunity? Then you can click on yes and go and look at the topics and select a particular niche. So these are the ones that are a niche. So basically AWS courses, these are really a niche currently. So you can select one of such courses or you can click on not right now because you have decided on certain other topic. Now click on continue. Then how much time can you spend creating your course per week? Now depending on your availability, you need to select one of the options. And if you have lots of flexibility, then you can select on this third option 5+ hours per week. Then click on create course. Now it's going to take you on the course dashboard. And the first thing that you need to fill is intended learners. So in this section, you need to talk about what will students learn in your course. Whatever will be the learnings from your course, you need to mention over here. So let me add the course learnings. So first of all, getting started with latex in Overleaf, the basic features of Overleaf, structuring a latex document, creating lists, enumerations in latex. So these are all created with SEO keywords, so that is really important. Then including graphics and figures in your latex document. The more you add, the better. but also you need to make sure that you get it done very fast, so you don't spend a lot of time just in the metadata of the course. You need to also create high quality content that also requires huge amount of time. So there are 10 learnings in my course. And then what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course? So usually you need to list the skills and the experience that is required by the learners before they take up this course, because when they click on your course before enrolling, they can see this page and they can understand any prerequisites that are required. If there are any prerequisites, then they need to gain those experience or required skills before coming back to your course. So I am making a beginner course, so no programming or previous knowledge of latex is required. And also I need to mention that there is no need of any software, because usually latex documents, they require some software to be installed, and if it is not compatible with your operating system, then they would not be able to take your course hands-on. They could watch the video, but they could not do hands-on exercises. But for my course, there is no need to install any software. It is all available online. I have uploaded the basic information on Overleaf on my YouTube channel. You can check that, or you can also follow this course. Then who is this course for? So basically the course that I have created is for college students and anyone which are associated with academics. So that could be professors, lecturers, and also professionals who just want to create professional documents that can be published in journals or conferences, or anyone who are working with typography, or any latex enthusiast. So that would be the audience for this course. So now after I have answered these questions, I need to click on save. Since I have completed all the requirements of this part of the dashboard, so there is a tick mark over here, and then it is giving me certain tips on how to structure my course. So you can go through this. So basically you need to start with your goals. You need to start with your niche. You need to decide on what you are going to teach, and then you need to create an outline like sections, subsections, what would be covered, and then you can introduce yourself in the introduction video and create a momentum. Then you have sections with clear learning objectives, and lectures cover more than one concept or one concept. So lecture here is referring to one video, so one video covers one concept. And then you need to have mix and match of lecture types. Basically you can have quizzes, coding exercises, and so on. So these are the requirements, so you can go through that at your leisure. And then you need to click on setup and test video. So you can create a test video, you can upload. If you are on Udemy for the first time, you need to understand that the quality of the video should be professional. It should be of the aspect ratio 16:9, and no part of the video should be empty. You cannot have empty black spaces around your frame. So all such things can be tested by creating a test video, and you can upload here, and Udemy can provide you feedback. And after that you can actually film and edit your lectures, the course videos. I have published on Udemy before, so I know what are the requirements of the course. And then you come to the curriculum. So in the curriculum you basically mention what would be the different sections, what would be the different subsections. So let me add what my sections and subsections would be. So first section would be getting started, and then the lecture would be on software for academic writing. Okay, and let us add content now. So the content can be video. It is a video explaining the concept, and here can be video and slide mashup. So basically you can have a presentation in which there can be video present, so that can be uploaded over here. Or you can click on article, and this gives you an option to write the article. It is basically text, and that can be done. I have created a video lecture, so I will be uploading over here. Click on select video, and here I am on Overleaf course for Udemy. I am going to attach the software for academic writing. As I have said, it is in 16:9 aspect ratio, professional looking video, and the video frame does not have any black space around it. It's going to get uploaded. Let's proceed to another section, and this is going to be named as creating a new document. You can also add a learning objective over here, and it is optional. And then you can add a lecture, and the lecture name, I'm going to create it as overly formatting templates. And then I'm going to add the content, and the content would be a video, and I'm going to upload that particular video over here. And then you can add another section. So basically I'm adding multiple sections and multiple chapters or multiple videos because that is a requirement. Your course need to be properly organized, and it should cover at least one topic. And so that's how the students will give positive rating for your high quality content on Udemy. And another thing you need to remember is, if you want to upload or publish a course on Udemy, it has to be at least 30 minutes and it has to contain at least 5 lectures. And now the third section, I'm going to name it as common elements of a latex document. Add a lecture into this. So the lecture would be title, authors, and abstract. In that I'm going to add the content, and the content would be a video. So that would be this video. And then I'm going to add another lecture. So basically, instead of lecture and uploading a video, you can also add a quiz, a coding exercise, or an assignment. So I'm going to stick with a lecture, and this is the name of the lecture, and I'm going to add content to it, which is my video. And then again I will be adding a lecture, adding content, which is a video. Again I'm going to add my last lecture, add content, and that would be a video as well. As you can see, this is the addition of the videos, and the videos are getting uploaded. Let's move to the another section, which is caption, and this is basically optional. So I'm not going to add anything over here. If you want English captions or Chinese captions, you can attach the caption file over here by clicking on upload. Let's go to the another important page, which is course landing page, and this is the page where you need to have the text with SEO optimization, search engine optimization. And so this is the course title that we have decided. The course subtitle can be 120 characters, and then there is course description, and it has to be minimum of 200 words. It basically needs to explain what chapters or topics your course will cover, and you can add call to action for the learners, and you can mention what topics are covered basically. And this is my course description. Okay, you can also change formatting over here and attach basic information to the courses. So is this for beginner, intermediate, expert, or all levels? So that would be beginner, and it is on IT and software, and you can select a subcategory. You can basically mention other IT and software because I'm talking about overleaf software. And what is primarily being taught in this course, you need to select the options that are available in Udemy, and latex is basically available. So if you type something which is not available, it will say propose new topic, but it would not be optimized. So I'm going to select some topic which is already present in Udemy or Uacademy database. So this is latex. And then you need to select on course image, and that has to follow important guidelines of the pixelations and also the type, and there should not be any text on the image. So this is also a requirement. Usually people do not follow this requirement, and it will be difficult to publish a course. Now I'm going to upload my file, and I'm going to select here. As you can see, there is no text in the image. So this is the course image. And then you need to upload promotional video asking the learners to join your course. So you can upload that promotional video over here. I have not generated a promotional video as of now, but I will create a promotional video and upload it later. And after you do that, you need to click on save. So now it says your changes have been successfully saved and there are no errors shown. After that, let's click on curriculum. As you can see, all of the videos have been uploaded and they are also processed. It takes around 30 minutes of time for the video upload to complete and for the video processing to complete. Now after that, as you can see, I have uploaded more than 5 videos, which is a requirement, and also I have uploaded more than 30 minutes of video content, which is again a second requirement. So I have completed both the requirements and you can see a tick mark by curriculum. And the captions are basically English, Chinese or any other language captions. You can provide the files, but it is optional, so I am not going to provide anything. And then next you need to go to pricing, and here you can select pricing for any amount. You can keep the course for free, you can increase the price to $20, $23, $24, you can see up to $200. So I'm going to keep this course for free. I'm going to add some additional advanced topic on overleaf. Usually I do not make a course of 30 minutes. I make a course of around 2.5 to 3 hours. But this course has been very short, 30 minutes. So I'm keeping it for free. I can increase the price after I add the advanced course videos to this particular Udemy course. Now I'm going to click on save, and that would also bring a check mark over here. For now, let's go to course messages, and I have also written the course messages that would involve keywords. And first I am going to welcome any of the learners who would enroll in my course, and then after completion of the course there would be shown congratulations message. So I am going to write my congratulations message over here, and then I am going to click on save first. Now after you save, you can see that the pricing is checked here and the course messages is also checked. There are no errors. The optional field I have basically left out, and then I'm going to submit for review. And this is the course URL. If you want to share with any of your friends or on social media, you can basically copy the course URL from here, or you get the URL from your course page after you have published it. And if you guys want to take this course, you can click on the option I, which comes at the top right of this video, to take this course, or you can click on the link which is posted in the description, so you can take my Udemy course on overleaf. Then click on submit for review. So once the course is submitted, Udemy reviews the course within 2 days and they will get back to you. You can check your email after 2 days. Sometimes if the course image is not proper, or sometimes if there are any other errors, the team will let you know and you need to clarify them. The way I have shown you, I have told you the video requirements, I have told you the requirements for the image. If you follow all such requirements, then your course will be accepted for publishing in 2 days, and then you can share the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want me to continue videos on such topics, if you want the videos on search engine optimization, SEO, then you can post a comment on the YouTube video and you can get connected to me on Instagram. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.